Good morning everyone. Today we will start chapter 4 matter, solid and liquid and gas. So today we will start written work. So take out your notebook and pencil. Okay, and write properly in your notebook. Our back exercise complete in previous lecture. So today we will start written work. Write the difference. Write the difference between the following. First is sugar in water and pebbles in water. If sugar dissolve in water and if pebble dissolve in water, so difference between both. So first answer is sugar dissolve in water properly and pebbles do not dissolve in water. आंसर राइट कीजिए. शुगर dissolve in water and pebbles means stone के छोटे छोटे pieces, small pieces of stone. Pebbles do not dissolve pebbles means piece of paper do not dissolve in water. Okay, then after second write difference between oil in water and milk in water. Oil in water and milk in water. So right answer, oil cannot dissolve in water, it is an immiscible solution, immiscible liquid, and milk can dissolve in water, it is miscible liquid. Oil cannot dissolve in water, it is immiscible liquid, and milk, I write upside, and milk dissolve in water, it is miscible liquid. Okay, it is miscible liquid. Miscible and immiscible. Double S. Miscible liquid. Then after answer the following questions. First is, what is matter made of? What is matter made of? मैटर किससे बना होता है? मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ पार्टिकल्स. मैटर is made up of particles. Called molecules. Second question, leave one line. Name the basic state of matter. Name the basic state of matter. How many state of matter? There are 3 state of matter: solid, liquid and gas. There are 3 state of matter: solid, liquid and third one is gas. Okay, write properly. Then after write third questions. Question third. In which state of matter are molecules separated by a large distance? स्टेट की किस मैटर की किस स्टेट में जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है वो लार्ज डिस्टेंस पे रहते हैं. इन विच स्टेट ऑफ मैटर are molecules separated by large distance. So right answer, gas is the state of matter, are the molecules separated by the large distance. In gas molecules are separated by large distance. And question 4th is, name the state of matter in which forces of attraction between the molecules are strongest. किस स्टेट ऑफ मैटर में मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में अट्रैक्शन पावर स्ट्रांग होता है? इन सॉलिड ना? यस. नेम द स्टेट ऑफ मैटर in which forces of attraction between the molecules are strongest. So answer is the force of attraction between the molecules are strongest in solid. The forces of attraction between the molecules are strongest in solid. ओके, सॉलिड में रहता है. Write properly question, answer. Thank you.